In order to win on this YouTube platform, you need to be strategically smart. It's not about posting videos every single day and hoping for the best. In 2025, the algorithm has changed, and if you don't adjust, you'll keep struggling with low views. But don't worry, because today I'll share 5 simple strategies that will help you beat the new YouTube algorithm and finally grow your channel. Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Learn with Lydia. If you are new here, I share easy practical tips to help creators grow faster on YouTube. Let's dive straight into the first tip. Tip number 1. Don't upload daily just for the sake of uploading. Or don't upload daily just for the sake of it. Back in the days, uploading daily seemed like the way to grow, but not anymore, because your subscribers get tired. Your subscribers get tired if you keep posting too much. And when they stop clicking, YouTube sees your content as less interesting. Instead, focus on quality. One strong, well-made video a week can perform way better than 7 rushed videos that no one finishes watching. Quality always wins, and you know that. A single strong video with a good title, thumbnail, and value can outperform a whole week of rushed content. Tip number 2 is don't mix shorts and long-form videos in the same channel. This is because shorts and long-form videos serve different audiences. Shorts attract people who want quick entertainment, scroll, laugh, and move on. While long videos, on the other hand, attract people who are willing to sit down and spend 10, 15, or even 30 minutes with you. So when you post both on one channel, the algorithm gets confused about who to recommend your contents to. And so you end up confusing the system and your viewers. And the solution is simple. If you enjoy creating shorts, create a separate channel for them and keep your long-form contents on its own channel. This makes it clear to YouTube and your audience what they should expect. Tip number 3 is use trends to your advantage. Usually, YouTube rewards videos that people are already searching for and watching. And so, if you see a trending topic in your niche, don't ignore it. Instead, create your own version of that video. For example, if big creators in your niche are creating videos about a new feature, and those videos are blowing up, that's already a sign to make one too. Add your own twist, but don't wait too long because trends fade away quickly. Trends are like waves. If you catch them early, you'll ride them to more views and subscribers. Tip number 4, rename your video file before uploading. Most creators ignore this step, but YouTube is smarter than you think. It scans every detail, including your file name. So, instead of calling your videos some random letters .mp4, they normally appear like that. A video that has not been renamed appear in certain letters or certain digits .mp4. So instead of calling your video or naming your video some random letters .mp4 or those random figures .mp4, give it a name that matches your title. For instance, this video is about how to beat the new YouTube algorithm. Now you can name your video as beat the new YouTube algorithm .mp4 or beat YouTube algorithm 2025.mp4. Don't exclude the .mp4. These small details helps YouTube understand your video better and improves your chances of being recommended. And finally, tip number 5, don't be afraid to start a new channel, because in 2025, YouTube is favoring the new channels more than the older ones. If your channel has been stuck for years, it might be wiser to start afresh. Think of it like this. Your old channel is like a phone stuck with many apps that is slowing it down. But a new channel is like a fresh phone that is fast, clean, and ready to grow. Many creators have started new channels and have reached milestones of 10,000 subscribers in months, while their old channels with hundreds of videos barely moved. Sometimes the smartest move is to start afresh. And so, here is a quick recap. Don't upload daily just to upload. Keep shorts and long videos in separate channels. Use trends to grow fast. Rename your video files before uploading. And start afresh with a new channel if you need to. Follow these simple 5 tips and you will be ahead of other creators in 2025. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button so more creators can see it. and don't forget to subscribe. Watch this next video if your problem is 4,000 watch hours. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.